don't tell my teacher, okay, Dad?
Okay, sweetie girl.
You promise?
Yes, I promise. Brownout, sweetie. I guess your class is over for a few minutes. Take a break. No electric, Maria.
Teacher?
Sweetie, it's a brownout.
Teacher!
There's no Wi-Fi, sweetie.
Aww.
So you want to move to the Philippines, eh? Well, come on over. Brownout. About 9:15 in the morning. Today's Thursday, I believe it is. And now Maria goes to school every day. But today and tomorrow they had no classes to deep clean the school, which, okay, no problem with that. But they did, this online classes through Google Meet, Zoom call, whatever the hell you want to call it. And I'm old school. I'm not down with the online classes. I've talked about this before. I was physically going to college, and then they started this online stuff, and ever since, or any of the online courses I took, I don't remember shit. I don't remember anything about it. All I remember is I didn't want to sit down and open the laptop and do the work. Going to class was fun. It was an experience. I remember those times, but we started doing the online classes. You're just sitting in front of the TV, drinking a beer, trying to make your wife with the master's degree do your work for you. It's horrible. This online learning, it ain't learning. And that's coming from a dude looking at 50, come from a different generation. I saw my first computer in junior high. I think it was 6th grade. Maybe I saw one in elementary school, but I couldn't touch it. So anyhow, I come from a different generation. Sweetie, you can't watch YouTube on the iPad when there's no internet. So, anyhow, a couple days of this online learning, then they go back to school on Monday. But you live in the Philippines, brownouts are a regular occurrence in most areas. We live in Angeles City where things are mostly stable here. But, as you can see on my videos, brownouts are a way of life occasionally. Not too bad. Barrio Bredo, not too bad. But other areas like her village, daily, every other day basis, brownouts.
20 minutes only.
20 minutes, 30 minutes. But, if you're trying to conduct any type of communication that's important, well, it's going to disrupt your day. Disrupt what you got going on in life. It rained really hard last night and the power never went out. But situations like this, if I was betting, which I'm not a betting man, but if I were, I'd say another 5 or 10 minutes. It'll be a short one. But you never know. Yeah, the baby rabbits are getting big already.
Look. See, that's why I call it here.
He was running around?
YouTube bunny one.
Is that the one that was out the other day or a different one?
Different one, they have 3.
That's Mama right there, right?
He's doing, they're doing day. Look, oh. Bro.
He's not going anywhere. He's just doing roly-poly.
Nah.
Got Al Capone looking good. Starting to get some of that pink off of him. It'll be a pretty chicken.
Daddy, that's your dad.
Now folks, this little pen right here, this is to keep the cats away from him. When we're out here, we let him run around. He runs free. This thing right here is protecting from the neighborhood cats from getting him. There you go. My goodness.
Mommy, this for you, Mommy.
Whoa!
You're watching, Mommy.
What did she get you? Did she give you 5 pesos?
Yeah.
Well, that's every Filipina's dream. Honey, can you get this boy? Because I'm about to fall over. Hey, I'm about to fall over. Hey, help me out here. Whoa!
Have a children in 15 years old.
I'm gonna have 10 more. I'm gonna have kids when I'm 60.
You should not
When I'm
complain.
70.
You should not complain.
I'm not complaining, but my back was hurting.
Oh, that's a complaint.
That's why I got a 32-year-old wife here, so you can take care of the babies.
Daddy.
Okay, sweetie. Just a minute. What's going on, my friends? My goodness. Just taking a nice leisurely ride through the country. Beautiful, nice green grass off to the starboard side of the aircraft. Up and down the boulevard there. EOD. Yeah, we'll roll with EOD. That's it. Everybody hold on. Whipping it into 2nd gear. I don't see any below, baby. I don't see the below. I don't see any below. You got below? Oh, hold on, let me spin around here. Hold on. Right, the old lady wants below.
Give me money.
All right, how you doing, my friend?
The blanket. Go get me money.
How much you got on the balut?
20, sir.
20?
20 pesos.
Daddy, I want peanut, Daddy.
You want peanuts?
Yes.
Oh, this my money?
No.
Yeah, give us 3 below.
3 below, sir.
How much the peanut?
10 pesos, sir. 1 cup.
Tayo.
10 pesos, sir. 10 pesos, 1 cup.
We just need 1 cup or 2? 2
2
cups.
cups, sir. Okay. 80 pesos, sir.
Right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Let's go.
Alright, babe, I'll put the change in my pocket. Bye.
Bye.
Now you got 20 pesos, baby. You gotta buy me a Gatorade. If you got 3 below, I gotta get a Gatorade. Go load them up.
Let's go.
Load them up, son. Mount up.
Go.
Heavy, Dad.
Mama Tina's too heavy.
Yeah. Go.
All right, folks. Thanks for joining us on today's little ride.